Alright guys, that was two boxes. I did forget to show the hits again. I'm very sorry about that, but these were all the hits.
Look how open it is now. If you like that, you'll love this.
Got the autograph.
Is that storage?
Calvin.
That's the bench.
That I love that one. I don't know if you can see it. It's really raised. It's very nice card. Very nice. That one.
But look at this. I mean, it's
That one. Niles. Great card. And Pete Patterson. I'm sorry, Patterson.
Perfect. You put that away.
Should be the next one.
Yeah, 2 for 1. 2 for 1. Exactly. Everything has to have more than one purpose. And it'll keep the dogs off the bed too. Smart design. You absolutely nailed it. When moving into a tiny space, you have to assess what it is you actually need. And the best way to
This one has one autograph inside.
use every single day. Those are must-haves. Then you figure out what are those things that you like, but maybe you use infrequently, and those are the things that you have to consider leaving behind, not taking with you. And that's exactly the exercise that I had these guys do. I'm really eager to see how they did. Hey guys! Hey John! How's it going? Is this all that's left?
That's it. So far, this is what's made the cut.
Nice.
Okay, we're gonna start right how.
Very nice job of prioritizing the things that you need that are important.
Mini.
The other thing we have to consider is how much storage space you actually have to put all this stuff in. And you guys are in a unique position where you don't actually know. But I do know. And I'm here to help you guys with that. And if you see this raft that you are intimately familiar with,
Yes.
you know the ins and outs of that. And that is roughly the storage space that you have to put all this stuff in. That
And the autograph.
Matt Moss
Rookie
choices you'll be sharing around.
Jonathan Hankins, New York Giants. Jonathan Hankins, New York Giants.
Number 2, Adam, you've got 3, and the 4th compartment is for
Final box.
kitchen items, stuff like that.
Final box.
So that is the exercise, and it begins right now. Let's see how this goes.
Awesome idea, a little scary.
Guys, we're about done. I see
4 packs. Comes with 4 autographs or memorabilia.
Guys, I'm gonna call it right here.
2 autographs guaranteed.
Let's take a look at this. I mean, so I look in here and I see a full raft.
Good luck again to the Carolina Panthers,
Would you guys care for a little?
Minnesota Vikings, Washington Redskins, and St. Louis Rams.
I'm just talking about the space within the house, space within your stuff. I mean, like, this is a good example of stacking like a ball in a ball. It's not just about
Washington Redskins hit Robert Griffin. Robert Griffin. Very nice card. Congratulations. Congratulations. Big Dave.
All right, guys. Good luck.
Dave got the first hit.
The thing I love the most about this is that we always talk about using hidden space, but this is like dead space. You don't even think about this. There's tons of room under here.
All right, moment of truth.
Oh, it doesn't fit. Not too good.
John, don't mess with me.
All right, 1, 2.
Redemption. So give me a minute.
Yeah, you want to open it?
Carolina Cam Newton. Gold.
But yeah, it opens.
It's a very nice one for you, Carolina.
Good. It's such a smart use of what is otherwise useless space. I mean, it's
Alright.
ideas like this.
Sorry, my eyes aren't what they used to be.
Coming back to, 'cause there's so
It
much
is going to
hidden
be an
space.
autograph.
Think about it. Coffee tables,
I'm sorry, I do got to look up who it
Use
is.
that as a storage container. Stairs. There's lots of dead space in stairs. You can put drawers in there.
Yeah.
Utilize that stuff, which is
What
so
is
key in a
that
tiny
spelling?
house. And all of a sudden,
The last name?
you've got storage and lots of it. This is a wow factor.
E.I.
The biggest change from our old living space is obviously the square footage.
Matt and I have had to take some space from the kids.
Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati
Everyone has
Bengals.
their own definition of what a dream home means.
Tyler
To me, it means
Eifert.
freedom. I
I have a tiny home that I built.
It is a silhouette autograph. Silhouette autograph.
Head to FYI.tv/DreamHome right now to share what DreamHome means to you, and you could win $300 grand worth of
Very
reality.
nice.
Good luck.
Two more, guys. Two more. Two more hits. Got one autograph, one jersey card. One more autograph at least.
It's really nice. Your dad would have loved this place.
You're not just looking for a house. You're looking for a place for your life to happen. Zillow.
Baltimore Ravens, Ray Rice.
I trust my gut to Culturelle.
Looks like it has
Only probiotic with 100%
game used. It almost looks like it's dirt on it.
studied probiotic to help your digestive system work better.
With your busy schedule, it's hard work finding the time to study.
I was just thinking the same. Sorry. Not very fond of abuse. But,
Professor support when you need it, which lets
that's
you
just
turn
us.
just about any time of day into a study time of day.
Oh, nice. No, what is this?
Wherever.
Another blank.
Taught by industry specialists.
Oh, there she is.
Deserve to be. Visit us online at aiuonline.edu. AIU, the series.
Nice. Here we go, guys. Very nice. Tony Romo. We've got Darren McFadden. The other autograph is Chance Warmick, Tennessee Titans.
Daily workout, in-laws on Sunday. Make time every day for Barocca. It supports mental sharpness and physical energy.
Once again, congratulations, Washington.
Discover an exciting combination of taste. Rich dark chocolate covering
Congratulations, Baltimore.
with exotic fruit juices. It's chocolate and fruit flavors.
I just got to do the Rams because that's a very nice one, numbered anyway. 97 of 99. 97 of 99. Rams, great one. Then our autograph one. Redemption. And there was one more autograph in here. There it is, the Womack. Another auto.
Attention women, Zofran has been linked to serious birth defects. If you took Zofran while pregnant and your child was born with serious birth defects,
Are you serious? Ray Rice.
Call the number on your screen.
Sorry, my wife is getting tired. We get married in 4 days. 4 days. So she's got to be a pest. So thank you guys. Appreciate it. We'll be doing another helmet box break in the next week. Actually, 2 of them. I got a 2015 and a 2014 coming. So good luck. Congratulations for those of you who hit. Those of you who didn't get in, very sorry. Most of these will be going online for sale. So you definitely can look up on my site and see them. Thank you again.